everybody, this is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of what's up at American Eagle. What's up? We're joining in the party through Harley-Davidson for the Open Roads Open House. This is a national event going through Harley-Davidson, but you know what? The party's going to be here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. What's it all about? Well, first and foremost, they're going to be giving you a chance to win a 2023 Ultra Limited. When you come in, underneath our logo here, you're going to be scanning that QR code. We're going to have keywords set throughout the dealership. You need to find them. There's going to be one when you check in. There's going to be one in motor clothes. There's going to be one in sales. There's going to be one in service. And there's going to be one in the parts department. Make sure you get all your keywords. The more keywords you enter, the more you got a chance to win that 2023 Ultra Limited. That is going on through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, we're celebrating it on Saturday. What else is going on? Make sure that you RSVP to the event. You're going to scan this QR code that's right here. What that's going to happen is you are going to be able to receive one of these commemorative kick-ass 120th pins. Limited edition here, baby. So make sure that you RSVP before you come so you can collect one of these. We're going to have the scratch. Scratch Your Metal is going to be going on. As you see that this board is empty. What can you get? You're going to have to wait and find out. I don't want to tell you ahead of time because we want you to be surprised once you get here. But some of you are going to be receiving a free gift. And one of those free gifts is thank you to Harley-Davidson as they set up some stuff for you to for us to give away for that. This is what you are going to be getting as your free gift. What else we got going on? Don't forget, Find the One sales event. Find the One while you're here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson during the Open Roads Open House event. Up to $2,500 trade-in credit, baby. Up to $1,500 cash back. How kick-ass is that? How about zero down and rates as low as 3.99 APR? This is all for Find the One sales event that is going on through September. Again, Open Roads, Open House here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, Saturday, September 9th. Once you do all your check-in, you know, we're going to have some entertainment because it's always a party here at American Eagle. We have the Rockaholics are going to be rocking the stage, so we're going to be outside having a party with them. The DevilDogs are going to be here grilling some food, and there's going to be test rides going on. There's going to be giveaways, chance to win motorcycles, chance to win free stuff. All we need is you. As always, the party starts at 11. We'll see you then.